What's up, guys? So today going to do the mirror block off plugs on the Street Glide. Just gotta do a video running through that. I got just the Amazon ones, the little stripper poles, 15 bucks. So I'm gonna pop them out, throw these in, and yeah. So you got 4 T27 torque spits, pull the windscreen off, front fairing, unplug the headlight. And we got a 14mm socket for the back side of the mirrors. It. Quick 10-minute job, doesn't take long. I didn't have them when I ordered the bars, so ordered them later, but she's done now. 10 minutes and you're done. So guess now I'll give her a bath. She went a good 200 plus miles yesterday and she's pretty filthy. So peace out, guys.